Hi everybody and welcome to Chinese Character Bites, the only video blog that really helps you to understand and master Chinese characters, one small bite at a time. With Chinese characters, there are really three things that you need to know for each character, and we'll be covering all of them in these videos. 1, you need to recognize the character and know what it means. 2, you need to know how it's pronounced and what tone it's pronounced in. And 3, and this is optional, you don't have to do this, is know how to write it by hand. But it's even better if you can try to understand the components of the character and break it down, and that will make it easy to remember and less easy to get it confused with other characters. Okay, so let's have a look at our character for today. So this character is normally, I would say, more than 90% of the time pronounced "de" in the neutral tone. However, there are a couple of exceptions. In a few particular words, it can be pronounced D, or D. As you can see, the traditional version of the character and the simplified character are exactly the same, which means that the original traditional character has not been simplified. So that makes things easier for us. Let's have a look at what this character means. This character is a grammar word, and normally it's doing one of two things, to put it simply. The first is the example on the left. It can be making something possessive. So in this example, 我 means I. So if we make it 我的, this becomes my. Another example would be 他 is he. 他的 would be his. So 我的爱 means my love. The other thing that it can be typically doing is showing the relationship between two parts of a sentence. So normally the thing that comes before this 的 is a modifier of the thing that comes after it. So in this situation, 红色的车, red car. So the 红色, the red, is a modifier for the 车, the car. That's normally what this character does. It's a kind of grammar word. So let's break this character down. The left-hand side of the character is 白, and it means white. And this is the radical. It was originally, in the ancient form of this character, the part of the character which gave it the meaning. And the right-hand side of the character is 勺, and it means spoon. There are complicated historical reasons why the character is formed like this, but for now, let's just break it down into these two components so we know how it's made up. Okay, now let's have a look at how we write this character. So, grab a piece of paper and try to copy along as closely as you can. Remember to pay attention to the exact directions that the strokes are written in, whether they're top to bottom, bottom to top, left to right, right to left, and the order that the strokes are written in. This is really important. Okay, let's try it. There are 8 strokes in this character. The left-hand side has 5 strokes, and it means white. The right-hand side has 3 strokes, 勺, and it means spoon. So you write the left-hand side first and then the right-hand side. Okay, so let's try it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so there you go. We've cracked an essential Chinese character. If you're interested in learning more Chinese, then click the link on the screen and sign up with your email address, and you'll get my best tips, resources, and techniques for learning Chinese. And to find out about my full courses, just go to fluentinmandarin.com. And join me again next time for your next Chinese character bite. Bye for now.